Hello, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel. My name is Florence Straka. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a simple homemade strawberry juice. That's what I do. I like to make my own juice, so that's what I'll be showing you in this video. And so stay tight and let's start working on something. Alright, so I have my strawberries that I'll be using today, and I have a little ginger that I'll be adding to the juice. So what I do is I take off all these. It is so easy to do this. Just slice and put in the blender. You can drop them in like that, but I want to make it easy on the blade. The reason I do this, I blend the strawberry, is because there are some of us that cannot eat certain things. Mine especially is strawberry because it does not die if I eat the strawberry like that. So for that reason, I want to, at least if I cannot eat the strawberry like that, at least I want to transform it into something. And so that's how I make my fresh juice from the strawberries. So I can at least enjoy the juice, at least if I cannot, eat it like that. So that's why I do my strawberry juice. Is the same thing with grapes. I have to blend it, get the juice out, and I can use the juice for anything else I want or enjoy it like that. Alright, so with this, now that I've finished that, I'm gonna cut a little piece of the ginger, just a little, and I'm just gonna take the skin off, cut this into little pieces. Okay, so now that that is done, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. Sometimes I don't add water at all, I just blend it like that. And I'm gonna cover this now. I'm just gonna blend. Okay, so now that this is all blend, I sometimes like to use cheesecloth so I can get everything out, and I am just going to take a little part here. This is a cheesecloth. You can use a pair of scissors to cut this, and I am just doing this. Alright, so with the cheesecloth, I'm just gonna cut this. Alright, so once I have this cut, I'm gonna lay this right here on this coriander and double it. So now that this is done, what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna pour in. I am going to pour. Let me add a little bit more. Alright, so I'm pouring this in. The juice is just squeeze it out. Everything else is coming out. Add more to it. Gonna be a little messy, but you know how to go about it. We little by little, and I'm gonna get all the juice I want. Okay, we're gonna add the rest. So if you are like me and you cannot, because of maybe some health issues, and you cannot eat strawberry or maybe grapes because it doesn't digest in your stomach or your system, there is a way you can still enjoy that thing, and this is what I do. And as you can see, this is quite a juice we have. Okay, now I still capture a little seeds that comes out of the cheesecloth. Even though you use it, it's smoothing it up, but you still get some of the little seed from the skin of the strawberry. So using these, you can see when you use these, it takes everything out, so you don't miss anything in the juice. So you can see that is alright. Alright, now that I have my juice done, so now what I'm gonna do with this, alright, you can choose to, okay, so now that you have your juice, you can see this is our juice. It depends on what you want to use it for. I sometimes turn this into something else. So if you just want to drink the strawberry juice, want it fresh, you can add ice. For me, I'm not an ice person, but for the sake of this video, I am going to add ice to this. So what I do is I just take some here, just take some ice, and just pour. See how nice it looks. Looks so great. Alright, with that, we're just gonna design this a little bit here, and voila, you have your strawberry juice. And you know, with that little strawberry, see how much juice you got from it, and this is great. And I'm gonna try this and see how it comes out. Oh, okay. So I taste the little ginger, a slight ginger taste in it, and then the strawberry. There's no sweetness to this. There's no sweetness to this. So that's why for me, when I do this, I turn this juice into something else. I add it to something else. When I do this, I add sometimes strawberry, this strawberry, and then green grapes or red grapes before I blend it to balance the sweetness, because the grapes have sweetness to it, and then that transform into, mix it all into the juice so you can have that sweetness to this. But just the strawberry and the little ginger has no taste at all. It has taste, but it has no sweetness to it. So you can try this at home and see how it comes out. But just for you to know that when you try this, there's not going to be any sweetness to this. If you want some sweetness, then you're going to add something else to make it sweet. Grapes, red grapes or green grapes to make it sweet. So that is the end of this video. I hope this will help you to make your own fresh strawberry juice at home. You can add anything you want to it. You can add ice, you can anything, how you want to make it your own. So let me know in the comment section below how you have made yours and how did it come up. What else did you add to yours? Let me know in the comment section below. Until my next video, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.